you go out. Yeah, that one different. That one. Okay, now guys, you can step it.
Really impressed by the acceleration. Go straight on it, right?
Go straight.
If only you guys watching this video can see the smile on my face. It's not really a supercar, I know that it's not that really fast car, but it's really fun to drive.
I hope you have fun.
Yeah.
And then you can go right. And then you can turn right. It is better for your POV. Yeah. And then you can go left.
In case you didn't realize, someone actually was tailgating me, you know.
Really?
Oh, bump.
Yeah.
Does it ever get old doing acceleration like that?
No.
If this drives like this, how would it feel like if it's driving? If I'm driving a Scirocco
the
R?
power is not that big, but it is enough to deliver, you know.
Yeah, exactly. Like what I wanted to say is that if this is like that,
yeah.
How would a Scirocco R feels like?
Yeah, it wouldn't make you like lost control or anything.
Kinda impressed with this car. Like going through the bumps, I don't hear any rattle sounds.
But MC5 tire.
Yeah, I mean like the build quality,
Yeah.
the interior build quality, like it's so bumpy, you know, this road.
Yeah.
It's not gonna show in the video because the stabilization is awesome for this camera. But then it's really bumpy.
Especially here.
And you see no rattling at all.
And you can go right later. After the traffic light.
At the junction, is it?
Yeah, the junction.
I'm running on the last bar of my camera battery.
Last bar can last how long?
I have no idea. Let's find out. Just want to enjoy the car. Don't like to race people.
Yeah. I don't want to make enemies also.
Yeah lah. I love the weight to the steering.
And you can go left in front of it. Ah, yeah, right. That's where the car.
Where?
Yeah, this one. Yeah. Here.
Oh, this one?
Yeah, this one.
Love the weight to the steering. It's not too heavy, it's direct, it's sharp. I really love their steering wheels, like Audi A4 also. Very ergonomic.
I like any steering wheels that with flat bottom.
Oh, we are almost there.
Yeah. Because Ipoh really not big. It's just very small. You won't get lost.
Yeah. So it's a really quick POV, but we've had enough fun. Well, at least I have enough fun. I have to turn here?
No, you go straight.
Go straight. Ipoh at night.
Very chic, right?
Yeah. Do I go straight?
You should stick to left.
Stick to the left?
Yeah.
Because the Waze is asking me to turn right.
You should drive a GTR to test the difference.
It's gonna be a vast difference.
Yeah.
Who's gonna let me drive a GTR?
I think if you meet the owner, just go straight and then you stick to right.
I love the engine rumble. The rumble makes it feel very sporty.
Someone asked me to change it to Mutex exhaust, but I don't feel like spending on this kind, because I don't know, like anytime I'm gonna sell it.
Yeah, it's not worth it. It's not like, what's the point?
And then you stick to right.
Right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And then you can see that your apartment is there. Yeah. So you're gonna take a U-turn.
Alright.
Oh.
Where do I U-turn?
In front?
I just follow the road.
I just follow the road. Okay, you can go from here. Yeah, here.
It's a one way, right?
Yeah,
Alright. Ooh.
and then U-turn. That's where it is.
Thank you, man.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you very much for letting me drive your car, right?
No problem, no problem.
It's been a really fun night. Yeah, so this is where I don't know where should I go actually. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and subscribe for more. Right, see you soon. Bye.